Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error word not opening. Chapter 1. How to fix error word not opening using safe mode. To start, right-click on Start and select Run. Here, enter the command windord/safe. Press Enter. You will see that word opens in safe mode. Here, go to the File menu and select Options. After that, in Add-ins, click Go, which you will see in the Manage section. You can disable existing plugins. Click OK. You are going to check that word works by opening it again. Chapter 2. How to fix error word not opening repairing office. To get started, press Start and select Settings. Then in Apps, click on Installed Apps. After this, click on the three dots in Microsoft Office and choose the Modify option. Click Yes to access the options. After this, activate the Quick Repair box, click Repair. Click again on Repair and you must wait for this process to come to an end. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you see that the repair has finished, open Word. Chapter 3. How to fix error word not opening restarting the process. To start, right-click on Start and select Task Manager. Here, select the word process and click End Task to close it. Now you can check if Word opens without errors. Chapter 4. How to fix error word not opening from system configuration. To start, in the search box enter misconfig. Click on System Configuration. Here you are going to go to the Services tab. Check the Hide All Microsoft Services box, then click on Disable All. You are going to click on Apply and then on OK. As you see, you must restart the system to apply these changes. When you access Windows again, open Word to see that it opens normally. Chapter 5. How to fix error word not opening Word as administrator. For this step, enter Word in the search box. Click on Run as administrator and you must click on Yes to open Word. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.